Answer the Public Marketing and SEO Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to the video. If you're considering Answer the Public for your marketing or SEO needs, watch this honest review first. Links to the product are in the description below, so feel free to check them out anytime. Answer the Public is a tool designed to help marketers, SEO specialists, and content creators understand exactly what people are searching for online. It takes user input and generates real-time insights into popular queries and search phrases. Its visual mind map style results make it easier to discover high-value keywords, identify long-tail phrases, and uncover the why, what, and how questions your audience is asking. This tool is perfect for anyone serious about content marketing, whether you're running a blog, building a YouTube channel, or developing an SEO strategy for a business website. It's particularly useful for brainstorming new ideas, creating user-focused content, and optimizing articles to rank higher in search engines. Answer the Public also stands out with its simplicity. All you need to do is type in a keyword or topic, and within seconds, you'll see organized data pulled straight from search engine autocomplete suggestions. However, Answer the Public is not without its limitations. While it provides a wealth of ideas, it doesn't offer metrics like search volume or competition analysis. You'll need additional tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs for that. This makes it more of a brainstorming tool than a comprehensive SEO solution. So, who is it for? It's best suited for individuals or small teams needing a creative boost or looking to expand their content strategy. Large agencies may find it lacking in advanced analytics, but still useful for ideation. If you're looking for a fast way to find content ideas and understand your audience better, Answer the Public is worth trying, but make sure to pair it with other SEO tools for maximum impact. If this review helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It supports us and helps others discover valuable tools like this. Thanks for watching.